College is where personalities, dreams, and choices come together in beautiful harmony. It's a place where we not only explore academic knowledge, but also discover who we are and who others are. Some students find their strength in working as a team, leading group projects, planning parties, and starting study groups. They believe that success is sweeter when it's shared with others, and struggles are lighter when tackled together. On the other hand, some prefer to work alone, seeking inspiration in solitude. But what happens when individuality meets unity? When diverse perspectives merge, can collective strength ignite individual passions?
Hi guys! Ready ba kayo? So, ako pala yung leader nyo, mag-brainstorming na tayo. I've been thinking how much we could accomplish if we work together.
Mas marami tayo, mas maganda, di ba?
Hindi ba mabilis kung kanya-kanya tayo?
I don't think so. We'll share ideas and make each other's works better.
Let's give it a shot. We might end up surprising ourselves.
So, here's the plan. Let's brainstorm ideas, split the tasks, and check in regularly.
Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, magkanya-kanya na lang tayo. Sa huli na lang tayo mag-collaborate.
I agree. Ang daming opinion na magpapabagal sa atin.
Pero kung hindi tayo magtutulungan, baka may makalimutan tayong importanteng mga bagay.
I think we can find a balance between both approaches.
Oo nga, todo na to.
Oh, ba't yun ka lang?
Sorry, kasi traffic sa traffic. Sorry.
What if i-combine na lang natin? Mayroon kaya tayong kanya-kanyang task at saka updated din tayo sa isa't isa.
This isn't working. We're all stuck in our heads.
Maybe we've been too rigid in our thinking.
I think working alone has been too much.
Then why not combine our strength?
Tama, mas magtrabaho na tayo ngayon as a team.
So, okay, here's the plan. So, each of us take on tasks we're best at, but we'll check in regularly.
I can handle the data analysis. And you can lead the draft.
Ako na sa presentation slides.
I actually like that. It's perfect balance.
And I'll help with the visuals. This is coming together.
Hi guys! Kamusta ka pala yung defense nyo? So by the way, thank you pala sa pag-cooperate nyo sa gawin ginawa natin.
I-realize ko na mas better talaga magtulong-tulungan.
Totoo nga, teamwork makes the dream work.
Yay! Group hug! Okay, so here's the...
Maybe we've been too rigid, you know.
Oh, ba't ngayon ka lang?
Sorry kasi traffic masyado.
Just lang na.
I agree. Ang daming opinion na pwedeng Ay, bakit na?
Pagsamahin na lang natin. Ay, ulit na.
Go.